It's Quant Trade Edge, and today I was going to take a look at copper. It's a holiday, week. Things necessarily aren't moving that well. Just caught a nice easy Forex trade on copper, so I'm going to call it a day and just wanted to document the trade. So one thing I want to draw your attention to is on Twitter, at Quant Trade Edge. I do put some posts up, so here's a post of the anatomy of this Forex trade, which I'll go through. But there are also a couple of other nice things in there. Like yesterday, I mentioned how Tesla had this breakout and is consolidating, and as you can see today, Tesla is moving higher, significantly higher. I also posted this here yesterday about MicroStrategy's MSTR. This is a daily consolidation that it's had after a nice run-up, and it broke out of that daily consolidation and started backtesting it. And the backtest was a very clean ABC on the 15-minute. You can see how it got right into that zone and picked up from there. That's also doing really well today. Back to the Forex trade on copper, you can see the daily setup we had yesterday is a 1, 2, 3, so a 4-day hoagie. And if you're watching it this morning, take that hoagie out. Let me put in the previous day high markers. And I could put in the Gann counter also, just to make it very visually easy. Gann down, Gann up. Okay. So on this little bar here, on 730 bar, we broke above previous day high, and the hoagie high was also, I believe, 94.50. So we broke the hoagie top on the 730 bar, and from that point we had an extremely clean. We don't need this. Okay, we had an extremely clean ABC. So that ABC. Stop talking. There we go. Okay. A, B, C. And that's about as clean as they come. So this becomes your risk bar. The risk bar was 65 cents, so that makes $2.60 above this, which is 96.30, and 96.30 was right on the high of that bar, and it was also a relatively climactic bar. So I went ahead and got out of everything here, even though part of my gut said this is a 4-day hoagie, there could be some extra upside. But being that it's a holiday trading session, and I don't want to sit in front of the screen all day anyway, I just took my Forex and making this video so I can get back to the family. So just looking at a couple of other things we talked about today, Tesla had a nice breakout here from the daily consolidation. The daily consolidation, how do I change these settings? There we go. This was the daily consolidation that I pointed out in the Twitter post yesterday. And today we broke out from that daily consolidation. And then if you look at MicroStrategy's, this was the ABC. This was the clean ABC right into the retest yesterday. And I posted that right here on this breakout bar. And if you notice, this breakout bar, the risk bar for this ABC, that's held. MicroStrategy's isn't the most liquid stock out there, but this is basically $6.50 risk. 4R would be at about $26 above $6.29. So we're not quite at 4R yet on that. but we're close. So yeah, just be extremely selective in slow holiday trade. Markets are more tricky when there's low volume, and do take the time to take off and recharge. Today I got a gift with that 4x on copper and a couple of these stocks, so I'm done for the day and I'm ready to go recharge. So anyway, have a good holiday and ask me questions. Happy to engage.